All right, hello, good morning, good evening, and good night. I hope you guys are doing absolutely fantastic as always, because in today's video, what we're going to be doing is we're going to be talking about KLIP, which is the Kraneshares China Internet and Covered Call Strategy ETF. The reason why we're talking about the stock is because when we go into my little portfolio right here, this is on my trading account, you can see I actually just bought 7 shares of KLIP at an average price of $17.81, which is reflected in the price that it's currently at right now. So we're going to go over my buy. I used all my reinvested dividends in order to make this purchase, so we'll go through that a little bit. I'll take you through exactly, obviously you guys seen how much I paid for that $17.81. But we'll go through how much just that alone will pay me this month for dividends and their ex-dividend date. So we'll cover KLIP and KWEB and everything in between. So if that sounds good, please do remember to stick around in this video. We're up to 2,744 subscribers, 650 subscribers the past 28 days. Guys, thank you to everyone who has subscribed. And without further ado, let's just get into this video. So as you can see here, I bought 7 shares at an average price of $17.81 for a total investment of $131.62 American. So that's in USD right here. My dividends go back all the way. What I do want to show you guys is that back on August 15th, I actually put in about $2,000 into my trading account, but that's in Canadian dollars, as you can see. So all these dividends that I was collecting, I was just kind of collecting in USD. So this, 25 cents from $25 from Tesla, the $1 here from ADC, and all these dividends in between going back, seeing some big ones like KLIP with a $64 dividend, and even another one here from KLIP, $16, and then this previous one from Tesla, which came in at $31 and $22. So I'm using all this money to reinvest, which equated to about $136, and I basically purchased 7 shares of KLIP for that dividend payment, for all those dividend payments. Now KLIP, it does pay a dollar amount every single month, roughly about $80 or so. So I want to go off of this last kind of dividend right here. We'll do about $83. So I got 7 times 0.83. So just even this, $131 investment is going to be paying me about $5 extra every single month. And this is not money that I had to work for. This is money that came in passively from my dividends. And going into my real life portfolio here, you can see, unfortunately, we are at 99 shares. We weren't able to hit that 100 share marker with that. That brings my average total price to about $19.14. But when we go into my payout calendar here, we're going to see how much KLIP is going to be paying me for the month of September. This will be the dividend that's coming up very, very soon. So just going down here, you can see that KLIP is going to pay me $82.59. So that is pretty good, if I do say so myself, just from one dividend stock. Now going into it, when is KLIP going to pay this dividend? So by judging from their distribution calendar, holy smokes, I'm bourbon like crazy today. It's early in the morning. Don't judge me, But you can see their ex-dividend date is going to be September 9th, September 27th, 2023. So it's going to be on the 27th. Today is currently the 26th. And so September 27th is their ex-dividend date. Their record date is the 28th. Their payable date, it says the 29th. So this is like really, really back to back. We haven't really seen this before. Or actually, we have seen it before. We've seen it here in the previous month. But I would really expect this dividend to come maybe October 1st. I know KLIP is sometimes kind of late with their distributions, so that is something to be expected. But if you want to receive this dividend, you got to buy it on the 27th or before. Or sorry, before the 27th. So you got to buy that thing today. You got to buy KLIP today. And what is KLIP? KLIP is a covered call ETF, and they write cover calls on the China internet sector. The China internet sector is also known under the ticker symbol of KWEB. It's generally supposed to be a bit more volatile than even some US industries, and that's why KLIP writes cover calls on them, because they want to capture on that volatility. But looking over the past month, what we can do is just kind of gauge what dividend we think KLIP might actually pay for the month of September. You can see that KWEB, it was a little bit volatile, but in previous months, we could see pretty massive swings in volatility here in May, going up and down and all over the place. And over the past little while, when we're going back to roughly August 26th, somewhere about there, it started at a pretty similar level. about $28.30, and it hasn't had too many high swings or low swings, which can actually be a good thing for KLIP, because you don't want to, have absolutely massive swings to, let's say, the downside or the upside. You want it to slowly appreciate or slowly depreciate, because KLIP will be able to capture those movements. But if KWEB was to just jump up here, for example, like this in June, then it might lag behind and might not capture all of this gain. So with that being said, where do I think the dividend is going to be? I think it's honestly going to be probably similar to the previous months that KLIP posted, the 83-cent dividend, 83-cent dividend, 83-cent dividend. I think it's going to be about 83 cents. I'm going to assume maybe 80 cents, just slightly lower, just due to the fact that KLIP's share price has dropped a little bit. And when their share price drops, you could see the dividends also drop too. So back when they were paying $1 dividend right here, their share price was probably roughly about, what was it at here? It was probably about this $20 level. But due to the fact that we have dropped in the share price, the dividends will also be dropping a little bit as well. So I'm assuming it's going to be about $80. Now, what's my outlook on KLIP? I think if KWEB is able to recover, obviously it had some massive dips here from the COVID sell-off, but right now we're in a flat period in KWEB, which is the underlying asset for KLIP. If KWEB is able to then appreciate over the next little while and get out of this kind of stagnant phase here, we could see some potential price appreciation in KLIP, and we'll also see a really big increase in the dividends, maybe going up to this dollar marker once again. So with that being said, I hope you guys did enjoy this video. We pretty much covered everything on KLIP, how much I reinvested the dividends for, how many shares I currently have, what my outlook on KLIP is, when the ex-dividend date is. Remember, it's September 27th, so you got to buy today, September 26th. Where I think KLIP is going to be in the future. Hopefully, we can rebound off this kind of stagnant position here with KWEB, but right now we are kind of in a consolidation phase. How much I'll be receiving next month in dividends just from my dividends reinvested. So if that was a good video to you guys, I hope you guys did enjoy. We're up to 2,744 subscribers. Please do subscribe if you haven't yet done so. I hope you guys do take care. I will see you guys in the next video, and I hope you guys have a great Tuesday. Today's Tuesday. Take care, guys.